Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the topic about cell. As already all of you know what is cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. It means all the living organisms including plants and animals are made up of one or more units and these units are called cells. We all are made up of a cell. Cell forms tissue, tissue forms organ, organ forms organ system, and whole organ system forms an whole organism. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, but these are not the living cells, these are the dead cells. He actually found Robert Hooke discovered the cell by using a primitive microscope in a cork slice. He found the cells in cork slice. These are actually the cell wall enclosing space left by dead protoplast. These are actually the dead cells. Later on, Anton von Leeuwenhoek discovered the living cell. If the organism consists only one cell, then it is called unicellular. For example, yeast and amoeba. If the organism consists two or more cells, then it is called multicellular. And if the organism have no cell, then it is called acellular. For example, virus. In virus, no cells are found. Cell exist in different shape and size. For example, spherical cells are found in ovum. Spindle cells are found in muscles, and elongated and branched cells are found in nerve cells. These are the nerve cells. Many unicellular organisms change their shape and size with the help of pseudopodia. With the help of pseudopodia, they can change their shape and size. For example, amoeba can change their shape and size with the help of pseudopodia. And one more example is WBC. Our WBC white blood cells also change their shape and size. Despite their complexity and variety, all living cells can be classified into two varieties. One is prokaryotic cells. Second is eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, cell lacks nucleus and membrane bounded cell organelle. For example, bacteria, blue-green algae, bacteria, blue-green algae, and in eukaryotic cells, nucleus have nuclear envelope. For example, algae, fungi, now rest of these topics were discussed in our next video. Thank you everyone.